guys, this is my sister's squishy collection. So, you got the bear and the hat. And I got, some of them are broken.
If you show right here.
And then I got the peach. And then I got the duck. And I got the color changing Neato. And then I got the squishy duck. And I got this rocket pop. Feels so nice. I got the teeny fuzzballs. So pretty. And then we got the donut holes. And then we got the ice creams. They have hair on them. Okay. Then the mini Neato, teeny Neato. This was my first squishy ever. Neato Nice Cube. And then we got this Neato glitter cube. And then my ice cream I already did. I found this in a food section at Target. And then this butter. Neato. This squishy I made. Then we got this Taba. I hate Tabas. Another one of these for my friend. And then the Ulta squishy. Bye.